Welcome to my channel, DNA.12 Education. Okay, Mathematics Series Inequality Word Problem Part 2 by DNA.12 Education. Okay, so then question 1. Question 1. The figure on the right shows a square whose side is 4n centimeter long. Find the perimeter in terms of n. If the perimeter is less than 64 centimeter, form an inequality in n and then solve it. And question C, find the substitute for n if n is a variable which takes on the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, here are the square. Okay, you know the square size is equal, right? The square sides are equal for each side. Okay, talking about perimeter. Perimeter. For square, perimeter means perimeter equal 4 times side. Right? The perimeter is 64. Oh, sorry. The perimeter is 4 times side. Side is 4n. So the perimeter is 16n. Okay. The question A, find the perimeter in terms of n. Done. Okay. So the perimeter is 16n. Okay, next, question B. If the perimeter is less than 64, the information, right? The perimeter less than 64. So what does it mean? Okay, the perimeter less than 64. Okay, and then you have to substitute this information, right? So 16n less than 64. Okay, we can simplify this one. And less than 64 divided by 16. So n less than 4. Done. Okay, next, the question C. The question C is the question is find the substitute for n if n is a variable which takes on the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have to substitute. The information is based on part B, and less than 4, right? And less than 4. Now you're going to substitute 1 for n equal 1. For n equal 1, for n equal 2, for n equal 3, for n equal 4, for n equal 5. Okay, you're going to substitute here. So what is the information we got? The information we got is 1 less than 4, 2 less than 4, 3 less than 4. 4 less than 4. 5 less than 4. Okay, we have 5 answers. Okay, but we have to examine the answer. We have to check the answer. Is it correct or not? Okay, now we're going to check the answer. Okay, check the answer. Okay, the first 1 less than 4, correct, right? 2 less than 4, correct. 3 less than 4, correct. 4 less than 4, wrong, right? And then the last 5 less than 4, wrong. Okay, good. So for n equal 1, 2, 3, okay, for n equal 1, 2, 3 are accepted. Okay, only 1, 2, 3 are accepted. Okay, done. Okay, students, I think number 1 clear. Now we go to the next question. Okay, the next question. Question 2. The lengths of the diagonals of parallelogram are 2x minus 1 and x plus 5 centimeters. If the first diagonal is longer than the second diagonal, form an inequality in x and solve it. Okay, here we are. This is the parallelogram, right? And the first diagonal and the second diagonal, right? So you're going to check where is the position of x plus 5 and where is the position of 2x minus 1. Okay? Okay, students. Now we're going to put the information. Let's say this one is x plus 5. Okay? Sorry. Let's say this one is the purple one is x plus 5, and the green one is 2x minus 1. Okay, clear. The first diagonal, the information here, the first diagonal, right, is longer than the second diagonal. That's the information, right? So what does it mean? Okay, the meaning, let's say the first diagonal is x plus 5, right? Okay, and the green one is the second diagonal. Okay, the first diagonal, okay, longer than, okay, longer than the second diagonal, right? The first diagonal is longer than the second diagonal. So what does it mean? X plus 5 greater than 2x minus 1. Is it? Okay? And then we have to move to x to the left and 5 to the right. Is it? So x minus 2x greater than minus 1 minus 5. X minus 2x is minus x greater than minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Okay? For inequality, when we got the variable negative, is not allowed. Is not allowed. We have 2 times by minus 1, right? We have 2 times by minus 1. Okay, this one. because the variable is a negative one. Okay, that's forbidden sign, right? So you have to times by minus 1. So it will be minus time 1 minus it will be positive x. Greater than times minus 1, it will be less than. That's opposite sides, right? Opposite direction. Minus 6 times minus 1 is 6. Good. Form an inequality in x and solve it. Done. Very easy question, right? Okay, so then go to the next question. Here. Question 3. Okay, this is the triangle. Every triangle holds the rule that the sum of the length of two sides is always greater than that of the third side. That's correct. For the triangle ABC, okay, AC plus BC greater than AB. Okay. Form an inequality in X and solve it. Okay, students, every triangle holds the rule that the sum of the length of two sides is always greater than that of the third side. Okay, students, we say this one, the first side, right? Because AC, this is the information here, okay? There is information, right? AC plus BC. AC is the first side, and the second is BC. Let's say this one, the second side, right? Automatically, AB is the third side. Oh, sorry. AC is the first, BC is the second, okay? And AB is the third side. Okay. Every triangle holds the rule that the sum of the length of two sides means side 1 plus side 2, okay, greater than that of the third side. Greater than that of the third side. The third side is the side 3. Okay, good. So AC plus BC greater than AB. Okay, good. Okay, so based on the question, okay, based on the question, AC is x minus 3. CB or BC is x plus 11. And then AB is 12. Okay, I think that the information is very clear. Now we are going to insert the information of the length of every single side. AC is x minus 3. BC is x plus 11. Greater than AB is 12. Right. So the next step is to simplify the form. X go to x, number to number. Okay? X plus x is 2x. Okay, so the next step is x go to x, this one, so it will be 2x, right? And then minus 3 plus 11 is 8. Okay. Greater than 12. Good. The next step is 8 goes to 12. Okay. So now we're going to simplify the inequality. 2x greater than 12. Positive 8 will be minus, right? Because move to the right side. So 2x greater than 4. So x greater than 4 over 2. So the answer is x greater than 2. Done. Okay? Clear? Okay. The question clear. The answer done. Okay, the next we go to the next question. Okay. The next question is, here we are. Question 4. Andy rode a bicycle at the speed of x plus 3 km per hour for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And then at the speed of 2x minus 4 for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, if the total distance traveled was not greater than 19 kilometers, for an inequality next in the simple form. Okay, so what is the information and how to solve this one? I think that's very easy, right? Distance, you know, distance equals speed times time. Okay, that's the formula, right? That's the formula. Distance equals speed times time. But you have to adjust the dimension or unit, right? So the speed one, the first speed is x plus 3. X plus 3 kilometer per hour, right? Kilometer per hour. And then time taken is T1 is 1 hour 15 minutes, right? You have to adjust this information in hours. So T1 is 1 hour plus 15 over 60, right? So T1 is 1/4 hour. Done, right? The second speed is 2x minus 4 kilometer per hour. But T2, the second time, is 1 hour 30 minutes, right? So you have to modify the number 1 plus a half in hours. So we got 1.5 hours, right? That's very clear. T1 is 1/4 and T2 1.5 hours. Okay, next. This is the information, right? The information is the distance traveled was not greater than 19 kilometers. What does it mean? Was not greater. What does it mean? The meaning is the distance was not greater than, means less than and equal 19 kilometers. That's the point. Was not greater than 19 kilometers. Okay, now we have to use the formula. This one is the formula, right? The formula is distance equals speed times time, right? So what does it mean? Speed 1 times time 1 plus speed 2 times T2 less than and equal 19. Okay? Remember, the unit must be same in kilometer. Speed 1 is x plus 3, right? This one. Good. X plus 3. X plus 3 times T1. 1/4. Speed 2, this one, right? Speed 2. 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4 times T2, this one, right? 1/2. Less than and equal 19. Next. So x plus 3 times, we have to simplify. This one, it will be 5 over 4 plus 2x minus 4 times 3 over 2 less than and equal 19. So what's next? The next is to simplify. How to simplify this one? Okay, by times the LCM, right? The LCM of the denominator, 4 and 2. So the denominator is 4, right? Denominator is 4. So all these items will be times by 4, right? So it will be x plus 3 times 5 over 4. 2x minus 4. 3 over 2 less than equal 19, right? But every single term will be times by 4, right? 4 times by 4 times by 4. Okay, now we're going to simplify the inequality. Cancel, 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 cancel. We got 2, right? So the next is to simplify the equation. 5 times x, better we write in the common, the simple one. X plus 3 times 5 plus 2, open the bracket, 2x minus 4, right? And then times, times 3, right? I think we have to write this one here, 6, right? Make it simple, right? 6. 6, and here is less than, how many is one? 76, right? Next, and then 5 times x, 5 times 3, we got 5x plus 15, and then here, as usual, 6 times 2x, 12x, 6 times minus 4 minus 24, less than 76. Right, next. So this one is 17x, and this one is minus 9, less than and equal 76. Okay, so what's the next? The next is minus, we got here, right? So 17x less than and equal 76 plus 9. 17x less than 85, right? 85. So x less than 85 divided by 17. We got 5. Okay, so the answer is for x is x less than and equal 5. Done, right? So I think that's very clear, right, everyone? Okay. The first speed, the second speed. Okay, the first hour and the second hour response. And we got x less than n equal